I just think that this makes my skin looks less pale and white, because like look right now it's super white. I might look white, but I don't have the privilege. Oh my god, this. Good morning. I am so tired. It's still early in the morning, and I am going to show you guys how I get ready. I got so much better with doing my makeup, so I will show you guys how you can transfer yourself from this to this. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below. Follow me on Instagram at berry.snatch. Other than that, let's jump straight into the video and I will show you guys how you can get this look. So, let's go. Or, let's go. Is it better when you point this way or this way? Let's go. I guess I'm pointing at both directions. So, okay. And let's jump straight into the video because I am trying to wake myself up. Here, I'm going to do my morning routine, which is I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Raw honey. Sounds very disgusting, but this is what I usually do. Since I don't eat actual breakfast in the morning, I just eat a scoop of honey. Eating raw honey in the morning on an empty stomach is actually really good for your body. It provides energy and it can get rid of your stomach fat. So I usually eat 1 spoon in the morning as my breakfast, and then I would eat lunch regularly and dinner regularly. I do not skip lunch or dinner, but I normally do not have time in the morning to eat breakfast, so this is my way. That's it. That's my breakfast. It's gonna be in my stomach, and my stomach will have something to process as we do this makeup tutorial. I just put on a thin layer of lotion, facial lotion. This will keep my face moisturized, and when I put on my makeup, it doesn't crack or it doesn't look dry. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna put on a thin layer of primer. I've been using this primer for 2 years now, and it is this Blur and Redness Control primer from Maybelline, New York. I'm obsessed with color correcting my face because I have a lot of redness on the bottom half of my face. So I like to cancel all that shit out. And I don't put a lot, I just use a tiny bit like this, and then I can just get more as I go. I don't want to put a whole bunch of products on my face. LA Girl HD Color Correcting Face Primer. And I like to focus on the bottom half of my face because when I do my makeup, I really don't care for the top half. Okay, so next I am going in for another primer. I'm not a makeup expert, nothing like that. I just do whatever works for me. So if you're watching this and you're like, he's doing it wrong, I'm fucking sorry. I'm not a makeup artist. e.l.f. Tone Adjustment Face Primer, once again, is also in green because we're trying to cancel this redness right here. If you are new to my channel, and if you're here because you're looking for someone that is like kind of like filtered, who doesn't curse in their videos, who isn't crazy, that is like well put together, you're in the wrong place. I am the opposite of all that. I'm a fucking mess. I mean, first of all, look at my hair. So what I'm putting on right now is the Camo CC cream from e.l.f. I believe that this is brand new. Apparently it's really, really good. It's just that the shade is a little bit too bright for my face. So now that I finished blending out my face, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. Just a little bit of concealer to cover up some of the uneven spots on my face. So I like to put a few right here. And just a few dots like that on my chin. And just a little bit look around my nose. So now I'm gonna blend the shit out of my face. I'm gonna just blend and hope for the best. Now I'm done with blending everything out. I am going to put on a thin layer of baking powder. So I just put a little on the cap like that. And then I just go in with my brush. I'm just gonna go take a quick break. And then I'll come back. I'm back. I figured that we can use this time to do my hair since my hair looks like shit right now. And I need a haircut really badly. Oh, that's disgusting. Why did I do that with my tongue out? Ew. I think we need a little bit more hair gel. It sounds so moist and disgusting. I hate using hair gel, hairspray, anything that I have to put on my hair. I hate it. I've been wearing my beanie a lot just because I don't have to do my hair and I don't have to put anything on my hair because I feel so disgusted when my hair is like full of hair gel or hairspray. My hair is so thick and I have a lot of hair too, so it takes a lot of time for me to brush my fucking hair and it gets on my nerves every time. But we're gonna be chill and calm for this video. I'm gonna pretend that I'm a perfect person so no one can tell that I'm an insane person in real life. So let's just nod and smile like, yeah, I love doing my hair, like, just so fun. The little things in life, you know, like I spend a lot of time doing my hair and I enjoy every single minute of it.
Not really.
Fucking hate doing my hair. Ugh. Okay, I just got back from having a fucking meltdown because I hate my hair so much. I learned this trick from somewhere I don't fucking remember. I have like a toothbrush. I got this cheap toothbrush just to brush my hair, okay? So I put a little hairspray and then I just go back and brush out all the baby hair. Okay, so now I can dust off my baking powder on my face. I use this e.l.f. blush. I think it's in whatever, I don't remember the name of the color, but it has to do something with peach. So I like to use this brush and I just like dab a little. Now you guys will understand why I look a little orange in my videos. I'm not trying to look like Trump, I promise. I just think that this makes my skin looks less pale and white, because like look right now it's super white. I might look white, but I don't have the privilege. I'll go in and kind of like swipe my blush like this, and then I bring it back up here. All the way up here, and then I dust it back down a little bit more like that, and then just do the same thing. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. You go right here, and then you dust it all the way up here, and then go back down. I'm gonna go down here a little, and I'm gonna like contour my jaw a little with my blush, just so it looks even, because I have like the top half of my face covered in this orange blush, so I want the bottom half to have just a little hint of orange to match. And then I use the rest to kind of like outline my forehead like so. Not a lot, just a little bit. I am going to use this small brush. I'm gonna put it like right here on my nose. And then I go down and then just marry the two together. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with this look when you drink, like, let's say orange soda and you leave like a little mark right here on your lid, like your top lid. I love that look. It's just so funny and it's just so fun to look at. Like I used to do that on purpose when I was a kid all the time. So we're gonna do the same thing. Just outline my top lid. Okay, I snap with this makeup. Okay. Last but not least, I'm gonna use some rose water on my face. And this is it. This is the final makeup look. Let's go. What the fuck? Why did I do that? Like, it's just like I'm so embarrassed. There we go. So I guess we're done here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Give this video a like. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I'll definitely follow you back. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.